Hey guys, my name is Hanif and welcome to my Rebrand apps review. Now, I'm going to save you all of the background information and the hype because I'm sure that you've seen all the emails already and possibly checked out some of the pre-launch material. So I'm going to get right into my review. Rebrand apps basically allows you to white label and sell your own software, and more specifically, 4 different software apps. And it's developed by Mark Thompson and Matt Callan, both guys who've developed an excellent reputation for developing some really quality software over the years. So software that is supported, that is developed, that is up to date, and something that you can basically rely on moving forward, as opposed to software that is not even supported literally within days or weeks after all of the sales have poured in. So these guys definitely have a vested interest in not only developing their software properly, but also supporting it long term. So with Rebrand apps, basically you get your own members dashboard that you can log into and white label all of the apps, meaning that you can add your own brand name. And through this members dashboard, you can also create users, and you can take care of your customers and things of that sort. So it's an entire, you could say, done for you created solution for selling your own white labeled apps and software without you needing to do any of the technical coding, not only for the software itself but also for the back-end management. So here's what I mean. When you first log into Rebrand apps, your members dashboard, you'll be able to see the different apps that you have in your account. And in this case, the 4 apps are Project Hub, Pinpoint, SEO Snapshot, and Ticket Hub. I will get into what each of these apps are later on, but first I want to show you the Rebrand apps platform and how you can manage users and customize your white label. So once you log in, you'll see your different apps, and when you go ahead and choose one of your apps, you'll see that your clients or your customers will be listed. So in this client management area, you can go ahead and add new users. So let's say that somebody purchases one of your apps. Well, you'll see their name and their email address inside of your dashboard, and you can enable them, disable them, and basically manage them the way that you would like. Then there is the ability to integrate your own autoresponder. So when people purchase your apps, if you want them to go into a particular email list, you can do that really easily with the Rebrand apps platform. Alright, so inside of your Rebrand apps dashboard, you also have the ability to white label your stuff. So you can charge whatever price you want, whether it's a one-time price, whether it's a monthly recurring price. You can upload your own logo, and you can add your own support email address and a host of other features to completely white label it. So if you don't want people to know that you're selling these particular apps and you want to rebrand them as your own, then you can do that easily, literally within a few clicks. The other cool feature about Rebrand apps is the ability to use their training materials. So they have generic training materials that shows your customers how to use each app. So you don't even have to support your customers in the sense that if they have questions about the software, about how to use it, there's already training material available, and they'll be able to watch that. Or you can add your own training videos too. If you want to add additional tips and insights to enhance the value, then you can do that easily. In addition to adding your own training materials to each app, you can also integrate your own payment processor easily. So whether it's PayPal or Stripe, and whatever payment gateway that you want to use, Rebrand apps can easily integrate with your payment gateway. And you can also set transactional emails. So when your customers purchase from you, if you want to send them specific emails after their purchase, you can easily choose one of the templates that they have for you, or write your own emails right from inside of the Rebrand apps dashboard, and your customers will automatically receive those emails. So basically, you have a members dashboard for managing users and clients. You can integrate your autoresponder. You can upload your own logo. You can send out custom emails after somebody purchases, and You can integrate with your own payment processor. You can even use their generic training materials or upload your own training materials, and you can do that all from one easy to use members dashboard that this whole process can literally be set up within 5 to 10 minutes of purchasing the platform and customizing it to your liking. Alright, so now let's go ahead and talk about each of these apps, what you're getting. So now that you see how the Rebrand apps platform works and how easy it is to log in and add your own information to each of these apps, and again, I want to emphasize that this is cloud-based, meaning you log into a member's dashboard and you can make all your changes, make all your updates without having to download anything, without having to open up software and change code or mess with any of the technical stuff. It's designed to be super simple and easy. So now let's get into the 4 different apps that you'll be getting, the 4 different pieces of software that you can resell. The first one is the SEO Snapshot. Now, this is basically an SEO analysis tool. So your customers will be able to export reports on any website and look at it from a search engine's perspective. So SEO Snapshot will take any website that you give it, and it's going to perform on-page SEO audits. It's going to get detailed traffic estimations. It's going to look at the mobile friendliness, page speed, the load times, the social page and social signals, and basically give a complete snapshot of what's helping that website rank so that you can reverse engineer what that site is doing and duplicate it for yourself. So by using SEO Snapshot, it'll basically reverse engineer why a particular website is ranking so that you can duplicate their strategy and get rankings yourself. And your customers, of course, that are into SEO will find this tool useful, no doubt. The second app that comes with Rebrand apps is the Project Hub, which is a complete project management system that is designed for those customers of yours that use outsourcers. So whether they have in-house teams of employees or they have virtual teams and outsourcers, then Project Hub allows them to manage their teams. They can assign and coordinate major projects, set milestones, task lists, upload files and manage them, track the time that somebody is spending on a particular project, and it basically organizes all of this data for you and presents it in a bird's eye view so that managing a project and managing a team becomes much easier and much more organized. The third app is Ticket Hub. And Ticket Hub is basically a help desk and support system software. And as you know, customer service is one of the best ways to retain your customers and to get sales in the long term. So if somebody wants repeat revenue, if they want recurring sales, then they have to take care of their customers in the best way possible. And Ticket Hub is basically a customer service solution and help desk support system. So here, your customers or your clients will be able to log in and they can look at the customer service issues, they can look at the ticket requests that are coming in, they can look at internal help requests, and it's 100% web-based solution. So if somebody has customer support staff, they can log into Ticket Hub and manage everything from the web without needing to mess with software and provide an excellent customer experience to people who have bought a particular product or service, and provide customers the ability to submit tickets and keep all of their requests organized. And then the final app is Pinpoint, which is basically a retargeting app that will let your customers use the major retargeting platforms easily, whether it's Facebook, Google, AdRoll, Retargeter, Fetchback, Chango, and it allows your customers to easily and quickly work with any retargeting code. So, with all of these different platforms, there's a variety of different codes that you need to install on your pages and keep track of. Well, Pinpoint basically makes it really easy to add the retargeting code to your landing pages, manage multiple users, and even retarget users on specific websites. So there may be certain websites that get more targeted traffic than other websites, and you may want to retarget those websites differently. Well, Pinpoint allows you to do this and also allows you to manage all of the different retargeting platforms all from one dashboard. So this is something for people that are running paid traffic and paid ads. Really useful app that allows them to expand and better manage their entire retargeting campaign across a wide variety of platforms. Alright, so with that said, now what I want to do is talk about some of the drawbacks of Rebrand apps. First of all, when it comes to the apps specifically, with SEO Snapshot, it's basically a reverse engineering tool, but it's not a backlinking tool. So SEO Snapshot by itself is not going to get you or your clients high rankings. Rather, it's going to show a blueprint for getting the high rankings. What I would have liked to see is also some type of backlinking automation tool or software included, but as it stands, SEO Snapshot is basically a tool that reverse engineers and gives you a blueprint for what you need to do, but it's not a backlinking tool. The other thing is that with Project Hub and Ticket Hub, these two pieces of software are geared more towards intermediate level internet marketers who are either managing teams and already have customers. So this isn't really geared for the newbie market. Project Hub and Ticket Hub are two apps that newbies may not be particularly interested in. This is geared more for intermediate marketers, but on the upside, you can sell these for premium prices as well, because intermediate marketers typically are willing to pay more. And lastly, with the Pinpoint app, it's a retargeting app that allows your customers to retarget more easily and efficiently. But it's not designed to actually set up media campaigns from scratch. So it's specifically designed for retargeting and not for creating ad creatives and setting up media campaigns entirely from scratch. So with that said, just wanted to kind of give you some of the drawbacks about Rebrand apps too and what you should expect. And lastly, of course, you need traffic to make all of this work. You'll still need to go out and market your white label business. Rebrand apps gives you an entire software in a box type of business, but it's not going to generate traffic for you. It's not going to hand you clients. You'll still need to go out and do the traffic generation and the promotion yourself to make this whole system work. Alright, so with that said, now what I want to do is talk about my exclusive and premium bonus package that I've prepared for Rebrand apps. And I like to call this the business building and growth package, because inside of my bonus package, I give you the exact tips, training, software tools, and even done-for-you services provided by my marketing agency to help you get targeted buyer traffic from multiple sources and to help convert that traffic so you can grow and scale your internet marketing business and your software business to a much higher level. So if you scroll below this video, you'll be able to see details about my full bonus package. As I said, I give you the exact tips, training, software tools, and even done-for-you services to help you build, grow, and scale your business to a much higher level. So if you go ahead and check out details below this video about my bonus package, you can see everything that it contains. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I wish you all the best in your internet marketing business, and thanks for watching.